Hola, ¿cómo estás hoy? Welcome to ChopChopChef. Today, you and me, we're doing my version of a sandwich cubano. Alright, very easy sandwich, but very popular, right? And for that, what we need obviously a Cuban bread roll, substitute probably an Italian bread roll, and then we need Swiss cheese. The Swiss cheese you can see obviously, there's lots of holes in it. A nice good smoked leg of ham, preferably shaved. And then I have a little bit pulled pork today. You can use as well roast pork. Alright, so, and a little bit of a yellow mustard and pickles. Let's start off with the pickles first. Yeah, so I have this jumbo pickles, right? They are marinated in a little bit chili and other sort of sweet and sour things. What we will do is we're slicing not too thin length slices like this. Yeah, if you can see that one. Yeah, just nicely. So that's what we do. Enough for one good sandwich. Yeah, maybe I slice one more. Okay. Okay. All right. So that is this cucumbers. Yeah. Chili pickles. Okay. Then for our sandwich cubano, we need the bread roll. Right, so now my bread roll, I'm fortunate enough to have this panini press or grill, which my sandwich fits perfectly in, so I do not have to cut it in four. Yeah, but if you do this at home, you can substitute it with two pans, a griddle, just a pan with the griddle, and then you heat up another pan and you put them on top of each other. So the sandwich goes in the first pan, the griddle pan, and the other pan goes on top, hot, right? But I'm fortunate enough to have this one, and we later on just press this one on here. Okay, now to the filling. All right. So as I said, I just cut my bread just the length way, yeah, which is nice. Alright, we have this one, base, top. Next one is we filling nicely with yellow mustard. And there we'll be not too shy. Okay, let's see if we have enough. We just spread it out a little bit. Yeah, beautiful. Just could do with a little bit more, to be quite honest. Okay. Very good. First part done. Easy squeezy. Okay, what's next? Yeah, well, okay, we're taking a little bit Swiss cheese. And remember, I told you many times, when you're doing any sandwich, do not place the cheese like that and you see it's all hangs over. We don't want that, right? So make sure you fold it a little bit so it's in the sandwich, right? So now it's nicely in the sandwich. Yeah, but we're putting the easy three slices on here. Yeah, two. Okay, these two slices. Then we're doing our dill pickles. Again, so it makes it so easy, right? Because I cut them so long. Perfecto. Again, we're staying nicely inside. Look at that. Okay, so far so good. Staying nicely inside. Okay, now to the shaved leg smoky ham. Yeah, again, we're putting plenty on there. Yeah. Because this is it's all about a filling with this Cuban sandwich. Yeah, don't be too shy. Have a look at that. Oh yes, that's coming my way, I can see that. All right, have a look. Good, good, good. Yeah, so we have the cheese, the gherkins, the ham. Now, as I said before, we use pulled pork or you use roast sliced pork. Yeah? Okay. And when you use pulled pork, would be good to heat it up a little bit beforehand, you know. So I warm mine up a little bit. Yeah. Oh yes, I can hear you. You're already crying out for it. Yeah. Unfortunately, I can't share this with you. But I tell you what, oh my God, this looks good, this looks good. Okay, yeah, as I said, we are not too shy with all our fillings. That's done. And we're putting another layer of a little bit cheese on top. Okay, 1, 2, and a little bit more. 3, okay. And now what I do is the top part, I have a little bit lard here, yeah, pork fat, I know, and I just squeeze on a little bit here, you know. First of all, it gives a little bit extra flavor to it, a crispiness, yeah, when we toast it. Okay, look at that. Okay, now very easy. We press this on here, yes, like that, and we take our baby, yes, this is our Cuban sandwich, place it in our press, and press this one, like this, okay, don't press it too hard, as we'll do a trick. This one will take around 4 to 5 minutes, and then we see what turns out. Okay, see you shortly. Okay, 4 minutes are over, 4.5 minutes to be precise. Now we open our panini grill. And yes, beautiful. As you can see, I put already as well a little bit of half a lime in here. Yeah, because I will serve this one later on with our beautiful Cuban sandwich. You have a look at this nicely crisp. Oh, can you hear that? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So we take this one off. Ow! This is of course hot, you know. We bring it to our plate, our board here. And then, now the camera, if you can catch this one up, the crispiness of this bread, you know. Can you hear that? Oh, beautiful. Okay, when you cut it, of course, you need a bread knife. You want to cut it nicely like this. Oh, yes, 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 yes. And then what we're having here, oh my God, this is not mouth-watering, that's so good, that's so good. All right, and we bring this one over here. I served this today just with a little bit of chips, right? As I said to you before as well, with this one goes here. This one definitely goes along with a nice, beautiful lime. And ladies and gentlemen, por favor, disfrútate este sándwich cubano. All right, muchas gracias. Thank you very much for joining me on ChopChopChef. Till next time.